In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Squarespace forms. Whether you're collecting resumes, images, or any other types of documents, this process will seamlessly integrate the file upload option into your Squarespace forms, making things easier for both you and your users. Let's dive in. To get started, head over to your Squarespace website editor. This is where you can make all the necessary changes to your site, so make sure you're logged in and have your site pulled up. Once you're there, look for the option to add a new block. Think of blocks as the building materials for your website. They're how you'll add forms, images, and other content elements to your pages. Now, click on Add Block. This simple action will give you a menu of options to choose from. You'll see many choices like text, images, calendars, and importantly for us, forms. Here, you want to select Form. This selection will create a starting point for you to gather information from visitors through your site. Once you have the form in place, it's time to make it your own by customizing it. Click on Edit to start fine-tuning the form to suit your needs. This edit mode is where the magic happens. You can adjust fields, settings, and more to make sure your form functions exactly how you need it to. Next, look for the option called Edit Form Fields. Clicking on this will open a new settings panel where you can add, delete, or adjust the fields included in your form. These are the inputs that your users will fill out, so you want to get this just right for a smooth user experience. Now, it's time to add the file upload functionality. Click on Add Field to bring up a list of the various kinds of fields you can include. Here you'll see standard options like text lines, checkboxes, and drop-down menus. Find and select File Upload. This option is what enables users to attach files when they're filling out the form on your site. Once the File Upload field is added, don't forget this crucial step. Click on Save. Saving your work ensures that any changes you've made will be applied to your live site. It would be frustrating to do all this work only to have it lost, so always make sure to wrap things up by saving. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add file upload capabilities to your Squarespace forms. With these steps, you'll enhance the functionality of your site and provide a better experience for your users. Whether you're running a small business, organizing a community event, or simply managing a personal blog, this feature can be a fantastic addition. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.